Now, you know the value of user-generated content, but how do you actually get people to start creating and sharing content about your brand? Today, we are flipping the script on marketing and how we can get content for free, and not just any content, authentic content that gives your product or service credibility and an increased reputation that money can't buy. We're diving into how to not just use, but really leverage user-generated content. How do we encourage it, manage it, and how it's actually changed recently and what to do about it. So let's break it down. User-generated content, or UGC, is essentially anything your customers create and share about your brand. So from a selfie with your latest product to a tweet singing your praises, it is all about real people, not brand babble. Now let's chat benefits. Top of the list, authenticity. UGC shows that real people not only buy your products, but actually enjoy them enough to shout about it on their feeds. And it's not just about looking good, although helps. UGC boosts engagement as well. So imagine a customer shares a video using your gadgets. Suddenly their friends want in. That is organic engagement that money can't buy. So take GoPro, for example. Their entire marketing thrives on user videos. So from surfing giants to backyard adventurers, it's users capturing the action that keeps GoPro's brand in the spotlight. And here's a fun bit. When customers turn into your cheerleaders, they're not just fans, they are active brand ambassadors. Every post they share puts your brand on the map, like tiny billboards lighting up across social media. So, how do you get the UGC ball rolling? Now, first up, everyone loves a good contest. Snap your meal and win a dinner for two. That works every time. Unlike the tag us in your thoughts about our service flop. Keep it fun, not a homework assignment. Now, social media challenges can also spark a content bonanza. Remember the ice bucket challenge? It wasn't just about dousing yourself in icy water. It was a viral sensation that brands can learn from. Step 1, choose a hashtag that is catchy but not a tongue twister. Step number 2, make the rules clear and simple. Step number 3, offer a prize that is actually worth the effort. And please steer clear of the corporate gibberish. Instead, think about what makes your audience tick. Is it humour, heartwarming stories, or perhaps a thrill of competition? Tap into that and you will see the content and engagement start to flow. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button as you're still here. It makes me feel love. And whilst we're on the subject of user-generated content and how amazing the people are that do it, maybe drop a comment if you have ever seen it go wrong, or maybe seen a campaign that has just blown up because of it. Building a community around your product or service has never been so important. And when your community feels appreciated, I love you, there's no better advert. Now, let's just put on our serious glasses for a moment here and talk legal. Yes, it's the not so fun part, but crucial. Using UGC without permission is like borrowing your neighbour's lawnmower and never returning it. Sorry. Not cool. Display subtitles with key legal points if needed. Always ask for permission before using somebody's content. A simple DM can just do the trick. Like, hey, love your photo. Mind if we share it on our page? Straightforward and shows respect for their work. Now remember, giving credit is not just polite, it is a must. Tag them, mention them, shower them with thanks if you must, but make sure their contribution is acknowledged. And for the nitty-gritty, ensure you have the right disclaimers and terms of use clearly visible on your campaigns. It's about protecting your brand as much as respecting the content creators. Keep it legal, keep it classy. Right, so you have got this great user-generated content, but where does it fit? Everywhere really, but let's just not wallpaper the internet with it. Start by using user-generated content smartly across all channels. So social media is a no-brainer, but how about peppering it into your newsletters? Or better yet, showcasing it on your product pages to give that authentic vibe. So let's take a leaf from the Digisparq framework here. Integrated strategies mean that your UGC should harmonize with your other content, not just shout over it. Think of it as part of the chorus, not a solo performance. And remember, too much of a good thing can be, well, too much. We've all seen those brands that get user-generated content happy and lose their own voice. Balance is key. Keep your brand's personality in the driver's seat. Using data-driven decisions, another gem from Digisparq, assess which type of UGC perform best and refine your approach continuously. This isn't just throwing content at the wall and seeing what sticks, it is strategic deployment. And don't forget, every piece of UGC can fuel your growth focusing efforts, helping you scale the authentic way. By showing real people, you are not just selling, you are growing a community. All right, now it's your turn. Start weaving user-generated content into your marketing fabric and watch your brand's authenticity and engagement soar. Have you got any user-generated content, stories to share? The good, the bad, the hilarious. Drop your tales or nightmares in the comments below. I would love to hear them. And if you found today's tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more insider tips on mastering the marketing game. Remember, in the world of marketing, sometimes the best voice for your brand is not yours. Here's to letting others do the talking. Thank you so much for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.